In this video, we are going to see how we can solve question 11 from NCERT Class 8th Mathematics exercise 1.1. So here, before I start, I want to say that most of these questions are related to reciprocal. So if you understand reciprocal, you can easily and very quickly solve all this. And remember that reciprocal is nothing but if you have to find reciprocal of x, so that will be 1 by x, where x should not equal to 0. And that gives also answer of our first question. So we know that reciprocal of x is 1 by x, where x should not be 0. Because if x is 0, then 1 by x will be undefined. That's why 0 has no reciprocal. And this is our answer also here. Because in that case, if we have to find reciprocal of 0, it will be 1 by 0, which is undefined. So we can say 0 has no reciprocal. Second question is the number, some number a and b are their own reciprocal. So we have to find those two numbers. Again, we know that reciprocal is 1 by x. So we have to find such two numbers. In that, if we divide 1 by with that number, that will also become same. So we know that that numbers are 1 and minus 1, because 1 if you divide by 1, that will be again 1, and similarly if minus 1 you divide by 1 by minus 1, that again will be minus 1. So reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 and reciprocal of 1 is 1. So these are two numbers which is reciprocal of their that number itself. Next is question third. The reciprocal of minus 5 is, this is very simple. You know that reciprocal of x is 1 by x. So reciprocal of minus 5 is 1 by minus 5. Or you can write it minus 1 by 5. Fourth is reciprocal of 1 by x, where x not equal to 0 is what? So this is a basic actually, based on what we are solving all the other examples. So reciprocal of x is 1 by x. In the same way, reciprocal of 1 by x is 1 by 1 by x, and that will be equal to x. Of course, x will not be 0, otherwise this will be undefined. Next question is question 5. The product of two rational numbers is always a what? In this question, they want to ask what kind of number will be for product of two rational numbers. Suppose we have two rational numbers p by q and p dash by q dash. If you multiply this, the result will be in the form of p say double dash by q double dash. Since these two are rational number, in rational number we know that this is not equal to 0, denominator. So in that case, product will be always a rational number, because this also will not equal to 0, because these two are rational number. So we can say that the product of two rational numbers is always again a rational number. Sixth and last question is the reciprocal of a positive rational number is. So here we have to again go to definition of reciprocal. We know that reciprocal is 1 by that number. In that we are not going to change any sign of that number. There is no multiplication with minus or plus. Plus will not change the sign anyway. So reciprocal is just 1 divided by that number. So in that case, positive number will remain positive and negative will remain negative. We have seen here in this that minus 5, reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5. So sign is not going to change. In the same way, the reciprocal of a positive rational number will be always positive. This was question 11, and I hope you all understand now and remember that basic definition of reciprocal. For reciprocal of x is 1 by x, where x not equal to 0. Thanks a lot.